Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my TPT earnings for September. Now, September is typically a good month for me because I have September 11th resources that sell. So let's just get into it. So this month I made a total of $242.72. For me, this was a great milestone because last year I made $225.46. So I slightly exceeded my earnings from the previous year. So I was super excited about that. So here are just the overall stats of my products. And for me, I did not think I was going to have such big days. I honestly didn't think I was going to surpass my income from the previous year. So the blue one is this current year and the green one is the previous year. So I'm just going to toggle off the previous year. So as you can see, starting in September, basically the 3rd, I had some, $5, $6 days, which, I think is excellent. September 8th, I had a $21 day. I was really excited about that. The 9th, I had a $17 day. And then the 10th, I had a $77 day. And I've never had a day that was that much. And September 11th rolled around, and I didn't think I was going to sell a whole bunch past that. I had another $72 day on September 11th, and I was shocked. And then after that, on the 12th, I had, $560, $640, $240, and then a couple of smaller days throughout the rest of the month. But I had $270+ days, and I was so excited because that's like a milestone for me. And I remember having these like $72 days, and I thought, wow, wouldn't that be amazing if every month I could have like a $72 day? Like, that would be insane. So yeah, that's what I made this month, and it was really exciting. I added more September 11th resources, and also some of my September 11th resources that I created last year that did not sell, I sold a couple of them. So like I made a few classroom posters. I think I sold a copy of them. I never sold them before. So I feel like I'm seeing some sales on things that I made last year that didn't sell too well. So I'm pretty excited about this income. And yeah, so September was a fantastic month for me, and hopefully it was a great month for you. I'm a little late putting out this video, but hopefully you will find this interesting. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and tell me below what month is typically your best month of all time. For me, it's typically September. I will see you next time.